time for another geode cracking video, and this one's actually a geode gift set. This is going to Beth Vance, and let's see what else is going in. Alright, we got the 2 crystal canyons. Let's pull from the ooh. Hello. You have been chosen. And I like this pendant. This is a nice one. So it'll be added to the pile. Now, part of being able to do these gift sets is I do like to send out personalized messages for anybody, but it appears that this is a gift from Beth to Beth, and she did not specify if she wanted any kind of messaging. So I just pulled the first motivational quote that came up on Google for me. And that's hard, but motivational. Alright, let's get to it. This one had a little bit of shake to it. Come on. Good clean pop. Come on. Ooh-ah! Ho, 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 ho. What's it gonna be? Okay. Alright, let me... Yeah, look at that. Alright, some clear quartz, a little bit of iron staining, slight smoke to them, but look at these weird clusters. Look at these weird clusters here. That's pretty wild. Okay. Just a tinge of almost pink and gray. Okay, cool. Next up. Alright, next up. Okay, come on. Good clean break. Come on. Hey, hey. Ooh. Alrighty then. Okay, little lost material there. That's okay. Ooh, mama. Ooh, what do we got here? What's going on here? Oh, look at the sparkles on this one. Ooh, okay, we got some smoke going on back here. Real fine botryoidal chalcedony under some slightly, just ever so slightly, smoky quartz. And then down here, we had some iron staining, a little bit of, oop, there we go. Got some fun color there. Yeah, this one's, and if we turn it like this, it looks like a teardrop. I like it.
I love it.
Oh, just look at all those sparkles, though. That's wild. Well, anyway, Beth, I hope you enjoy these. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your gift to yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.